got it.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to your Daily Stock Report brought to you by QualityStocks.net, where performance is tracked daily. I'm Cathy Rankin, and it's Monday, March 26th. Happy week to you, and we're bringing you the latest news from around the markets as well as the top movers to look out for today. In our headline news for the week, the S&P 500 surged 3.5%, logging its best performance in 4 years, while the Nasdaq turned in a similar performance. However, their minimal gains Friday suggest the sustainability of such a rally, predicated largely on revised Fed language that didn't indicate any imminent rate cut, no less, will come in question next week as the first quarter comes to a close and fund managers rebalance their portfolios. The Dow also closed slightly higher, posting just enough of an advance to turn positive for the year and extend its winning streak to 5 days. But that was largely due to a 5.5% surge in General Motors, which accounted for 13 of the Dow's 19-point gain. Shareholders applauded news that GM will pay stock bonuses to top executives for the first time since 2003, while autos were also in focus following reports that Magna International teamed up with a private equity partner to pay between $4.6 and $4.7 billion for Chrysler Group. With the Fed recently saying in its policy directive that the adjustment in the housing sector is ongoing, today's housing data was anticipated to set a more definitive tone. Initially, the bulls got what they were hoping for, as existing home sales unexpectedly rising 3.9% in February to 6.69 million, the fastest pace in 3 years, erased some of the overblown fears of a housing crisis leading to recession. However, the report also greatly reducing the rationale behind the Fed cutting rates anytime soon prompted a reversal in bonds that also took some steam out of equities. Oil prices climbing back above $62 per barrel, and we felt that at the gas pump, didn't help matters much either. Fortunately for the bulls, oil closed off its best levels yet, offered enough of an incentive for the energy sector to provide some notable leadership. Crude for May delivery surged amid renewed geopolitical tensions after the British Ministry of Defense confirmed that 15 naval personnel were seized by Iran. Such worries contributed to a cautionary tone going into the weekend. Stay tuned to the QualityStocks Daily Report this week as we keep you updated. And now for our small cap news brought to you by My Automated Advisor. As a pioneer in the automated advisory services industry, My Automated Advisor has launched a groundbreaking advisory platform, finally giving clients the best of both worlds: integrated access to trade alerts with properly licensed investment advisor representatives. Highlighting some of the QualityStocks movers and shakers of last week, Lucas Energy Incorporated announced this month it has completed its 9th acquisition in the last 7 months with the lease of 498 acres of land in Gonzales County, Texas. The company plans to revitalize their 3 current active wells to boost production immediately. Lucas Energy is an independent oil and gas company and is focused on identifying underperforming oil and gas assets, which can be revitalized through the application of modern well technology. The company currently operates 8 separate oil and gas leases. Nuvim Incorporated announced this week that its initial marketing programs to support the Kroger test in Detroit, Michigan, will include consumer in-store sampling and on-shelf communications that will attract consumers to the Nuvim product benefits. The objective is to build consumer awareness, trial, and repeat purchases of Nuvim as quickly as possible in the Kroger stores. Nuvim products are marketed as the only beverage that helps build the immune system, muscle flexibility, and athletic performance. Nuvim markets its one-of-a-kind beverage in the refrigerated juice section in half-gallon juice cartons in 2,100 supermarkets and over 300 Walmart supercenters from Connecticut to Miami to Georgia. And that's it for our newsmakers today. Stay tuned right here to Quality Stocks Daily for the latest news on small cap to large cap and everything in between, brought to you by QualityStocks.net. Also be sure to look for the daily newsletter available each trading day through QualityStocks.net. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Cathy Rankin. Have a great day, and we'll see you again tomorrow on the Daily Report.
This transmission is coming to you. You've got it.